Hello everyone, welcome to our Decor channel. We are discuss some cloth drying rope with pigs ideas. We are all aware of the effect of rising energy cost. It is likely that you have been avoiding using the tumble dryer as much as usually would this year. The particularly hot summer we have just had made this easier. Could hang our laundry up on the washing line and it would be dry in no time. But with the weather getting colder and wetter, this is not always be an option. Fortunately, there are ways to get your clothes dry without taking extremely costing or we are trying to avoid running the washing machine as well as the tumble dryer too often. It might the tempting to try and fit much laundry into washing machine drum as you can be squeezing too many clothes into the machine can leave cloth damper and more crease at the end of cycle with which means the longer dryer time for more ignoring to spread out. It might sound obviously more. You can spread your cloth on the air or washing line with on the dry day and more in reduce drying time and risk a smells. It will also stop your laundry from getting too creased. If you need dry cloth indoor, it is good idea to dry clothing hand racks or hangers. Investing winter a heater area is a good option, especially your house is particularly cold. A plenty of flexible hanging space and clothes to towel dried quickly in out over taste. Alternatively, if your budget does not scratch with the heatest arrier in Minky 3 Thar Plus indoor arrier with 24 1 m drying space does well in our test way and lightweight and can hold plenty of laundry. Dehumidify. If you dry clothes indoor, that extra moisturizer can lead a damp in your home unless you keep the window open for increased ventilation. But the middle of the winter, it not always an option, so it's worth looking of over line cloth dryer lines. If you place an ear in the clothes area, it helps dry two clothes quickly as removing excess moisturizing from the room. Save the crazier how many things to set a washing machine a high span speed possible when a cut dry time. It is true for you are putting the load strength in the tumble dryer and you need to remove so much water possible to reduce drying time. But if you are leaving clothes and air dry, you can should reduce this spin speed slightly, stop laundry load from getting over creased over. Otherwise, you want save the dumping time you did and airing time. Remember to remove and shake it all out as soon as cycle has finished. If you like my ideas, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.